Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa tatlong techniques. So, isasama natin ang tatlo, ha? Pagsasama-samahin natin ang tatlo. We have upward technique. 4 plus 7. And then we have, gagawin natin itong 4 plus 5 para wala mo ng carry. Okay. 4 plus 5, and then we have 6 plus 9. And then we have 7 plus 8. Oh, nandito na ang tatlong techniques, ha? In addition, kapag alam mo itong tatlong techniques na ito, kahit anong haba ng anong horizontally ng addition, ay kayang-kaya masagot ng mga bata. Okay. Ito ay upward technique sapagkat may mga babies, may mga baby numbers. Kapag may baby numbers, ibig sabihin, yan ay pataas. Read first the bigger number and go upward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Walang carry. This one, dahil walang carry, this one is downward technique. 6, 5, 15. Carry 1. This is now repetition technique. 7, 7, 6, 16. So, 1, 2, 3. The answer is 1,659. So, very easy. Kapag itinuro ninyo ito sa mga bata, they will no longer count their fingers. Hindi na sila magbabakod-bakod sa papel. So, very easy. Kaya, kung ito ay ituturo sa mga bata, grade 1 pa lang, nako, wala na tayong problema sa addition. So, gagawin natin napakahaba. Mahaba siya. 6 plus 9, 2 plus 4, and then 5 plus 8, 7 plus 6, and then 9 plus 8. Add. Start from the right, going to the left. 9. This one is downward technique. Bakit downward technique? Sapagkat sila ay parehong senior citizen. Ano? 9 and 8 are odd numbers. Then, you read first and then go downward. 9, 8, 7, 17. Carry 1. Repetition technique. 7, 7, 6, 5, 4. 14. Carry 1. This one is upward because there is a baby number, 5. Read first the bigger number before going up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Carry 1. Upward again because they are babies. Babies. Kapag babies, pataas. They are still growing up. Read first the bigger number. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And then, we have downward technique. 6, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, comma. The answer is 157,447. So, dito nagtatapos ang ating addition techniques. May tatlo tayong techniques in addition. First, babies first, upward technique. Kapag may babies, kailangan upward. Read first the bigger number and go upward. Then, we were babies also, upward technique din ito. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then this one, 9 and 8 are both senior citizens. Kaya, kailangan pababa. Pababa. At huwag kalilimutan ang tungkod. 9, 8, 7, 17, carry 1. Kapag ang matanda ay may carry, ang tawag natin dyan ay repetition. Repetition sapagkat magre-repeat ito para hindi na pakialaman hindi na siya pupunta doon sa carry. 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 14, carry 1. This one is already upward. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, carry 1. This one are also babies, so we call this upward. Start from the bigger number, 4, 5, 6, 7. No carry. This one has no carry. That's why this is downward technique. Just read the bigger, read the upper number and go downward. 6, 5, 15. So, that's it. Napakadali. Kung ito ay ituturo sa mga bata, wala na tayong problema sa addition. Hindi na sila magsasaulo ng addition, addition facts, at hindi na sila magka-count ng fingers. Ay nako, sitting pretty ng mga guro.